Well, good afternoon, folks. Welcome back to another vlog. I'm here at my mom and stepdad's place for doing belated birthday celebrations and stuff here. And I just got here just about a few minutes ago, and as you can see, getting ready to open birthday presents. Show you really quickly right here. These are all my birthday presents they got on deck. These are all my 34th birthday presents they got on deck for me. So what I'm gonna do is I will call them in and I'll at least call my mom in and let my mom know that I'm ready and see if my stepdad wants to come in and see. So I'll go let them know right now. I'll be right back. I'm ready for you. They're on their way in. You're coming?
To see that TV too?
Yep.
That was the one that was up in our bedroom, and I'm gonna try to get it set up for it. Oh, hello.
All right.
So, okay, let me think of the order I want you to do this in.
Okay.
Now, some of the theme of this
Yes.
is extra ways to celebrate Christmas.
Okay, sounds
All right.
good.
So I might have to do with like adding to your decorations. So I feel that I'm gonna
that,
do.
folks. So the theme is extra ways to celebrate Christmas. So I may have some new Christmas decorations.
So I'm gonna give you that one first.
All right. We're starting with this one. Well, here in Hilton, New York, for Hilton High School, almost all of Hilton School District, their team name is Hilton Cadets, and so I got a Hilton Cadets hooded sweatshirt.
What do you think?
I like it.
Isn't it nice?
I like it.
I know. I thought you'd like one because, like, Colleen and everybody wears them.
Right.
I'm gonna get you one. All right. Now that theme.
Those are our next door neighbors that they're talking about. Okay. Those are their next door neighbors.
The theme I was talking about.
Yes.
That's a start. Try that one. See what you
Check this out, everybody. Christmas delights.
Now this is pretty cool.
Yep. Hand-painted porcelain lighthouse.
Do you want me to show you what it does?
Sure.
It's cool.
Show me what it does.
You can put this on a table or someplace in your apartment or in the living room as long as you can get to a plug. And, oops. Yeah. Come in here just for a second so I can show you.
All right.
I'm coming right back.
We're going to demonstrate this porcelain lighthouse.
There it is. Pull it up. What do you think?
I like it.
Cool, huh? A Christmas theme?
Yep.
Okay. Put it back in the box. It is a little bit breakable. Did you get a little sweaty today?
Just a little bit. I don't know if you were able to see that, folks, but yep. We tried to do just a little demonstration
All right.
in the bathroom with the light
So
on.
now you got one of those.
All right.
Okay. So I'm thinking. Hang on. Trying to remember. Kitchen themes.
Okay, good. Sounds like this next one is switching gears to kitchen themes. Everybody, let's open this up.
Have you seen those at all?
I have eggs fast. That's what this is.
Hard-boiled eggs?
Yes.
And it's easy? You break them right into the thing,
Yep.
and then you have to...
No shell, no peeling. No shell peeling needed, I should say. It's
More kitchen themes.
There's one more thing. In the bottom, crock pot. Check this out. Crock pot.
It's a whole library of crock pot recipes. Don't you like to make stuff in your crock pot?
Yeah.
You got a whole new library case of tons of, how many? Is it 70? 76 recipes. And then 24 blank cards for you to fill in your own recipes if you wanted. So that's for that. Okay. I know. That's going to be for Mom and Poppy.
All right.
Okay. Going back to the Christmas theme and helping you decorate for Christmas.
Yes.
Sorry that bag got a little ripped up.
We're going back to Christmas theme. This next one.
That bag got a little ripped. Sorry about that.
It looks like, and it looks like it's a sign, a Merry Christmas sign.
Hanging Merry Christmas sign that you can put somewhere in your place.
And there's one more thing in here. Santa Claus tin can.
It's a little thing you can put anything in. Pencils, candy, hide stuff in there, whatever you want. All right. We have another theme. We're back to the kitchen theme.
Going back to the kitchen theme, everybody.
All right. I'm going to give you this one first.
This one is the second to last one. We'll do this one. Oh, I see it right here.
You see what that is?
New Hope pumpkin spice pancake mix.
And are you wondering, what can I use that for?
New Hope pumpkin spice and pancake mix.
And you say, what can
pumpkin spice and muffin mix. I'm sorry. I'll get it right. I got it right.
So if you're wondering what you can use that for?
Yeah. Well, she says if I'm wondering what I can use this for, well, it must be in here. Probably an electric item that I can probably use it for. Probably an electric griddle or something. Let's take it out and see. Okay. Here's our answer. Dash. Eat good, feel good.
Got your mini waffle iron.
Mini waffle maker, everybody.
My
mini
favorite waffles to make are pumpkin waffles with New Hope Mills, and now you have it too.
All right. And last thing, the card.
Happy birthday from me.
This is from my great grandparents. This the last thing we're doing. Opening up the card here. Let's open up the card. And I feel like there's a gift card inside.
Feeling it?
That's what it says. Happy birthday. Happy birthday. Well, no, not that. A birthday wish for you. And I got a $15 Walmart gift card. I like it. Dear Alex, wishing you a very happy birthday and all the best throughout the year. Love, Rummy and Poppy.
Let me see that. This one.
Oh.
You got two.
Oh!
You got Walmart and Starbucks.
Walmart and Starbucks.
She taped it. I don't know why she did that, but let me get it out of here for you.
Well, yeah. It also showed the Starbucks coffee logo, so
okay.
I wonder if maybe there's also a Starbucks coffee gift card hiding there, too.
I told her you like smoothies, so you got a $15 Starbucks.
Well, then I guess there's a Starbucks coffee gift card hiding inside, too.
And, jeez, Robbie, a $25 Walmart.
Oh, okay.
And
So that's what it is. It's a I got a $25 Walmart gift card and a $15 Starbucks coffee gift card.
next time you go to a Starbucks for smoothies, you got $15 to use. What do you think?
All right. That's what it is. A $15 Starbucks coffee gift card and a $25 Walmart gift card. So that's everything. There you have it.
I feel like you need a smaller pair of jeans. Those are too big, aren't they?
I have a belt.
Way falling down. We got to get you a smaller size. Do you know what size they are?
I think like 40 by 42.
I'll check when we wash them later. I'll take a look. So I think we need to go smaller. What do you think? Are you happy with your gift?
Yes.
Okay. Want me to pack them up for you?
Let's pack them up.
I mean, I think this is a ripped bag, but if I put
Right.
some tape on it, you'll be okay for a lot of this stuff, okay?
Okay. All right. All right, everyone. That'll be about as far as I'll bring it with. So it sounds like I'll probably do a 34th birthday part 3 as well, like maybe tomorrow when we do like belated birthday meal and stuff. It sounds like we're planning on doing kind of some Italian style stuff. And I'll show you where we're getting it all from tomorrow. So this is 34th birthday part 2, opening up gifts and presents. And tomorrow we'll do 34th birthday part 3, along with maybe a couple other brief vlogs of maybe a couple other stuff. But until then, that's as far as I'm gonna bring. That's as far as I'm gonna go with this vlog for 34th birthday part 2. If you enjoy this whole video and vlog, be sure to definitely give it a huge thumbs up and definitely smash that like button and definitely hit that subscribe button for sure. And I'll see you all tomorrow. Peace.